Only pursue women who choose you. Yun lang yung ipupursue natin. Because again, women are the choosers, men are the pursuers. Ibig sabihin, tayo talaga mag-first move, pero babae talaga yung pipili. Because again, they are the choosers. Sila yung pipili kung sino yung gusto nila. So, para piliin ka nila, they need to be attracted to you. They need to be sexually attracted to you. And in order for you to be sexually attractive, you need to put more effort into yourself. In that way, you will look strong and behave strong. Because again, attraction, they are attracted to strength. Alright? Hindi mo kailangan maging 10. Okay? Kailangan mo lang maging above average. Kailangan mo lang maging 7 or 8. And kayang-kaya mo maging 7 or 8 once you put more effort into yourself. So, once you put more effort into yourself, you can now start checking, interest check. You can start doing interest check. Look for high interest and then escalate up. Because in that way, we will only pursue women who choose us. So, piliin mo lang yung babaeng pinipili ka.